Hello everybody, my name is Justin Misharbish, and today my senior symposium presentation about coping techniques is going to be about walking. So what is walking as a coping activity? So walking as a coping activity involves the simple act of putting one foot in front of the other, like we typically do, and moving forward, preferably in a comfortable setting, something like a park or forest, or along any serene path. It's about really engaging both your body and mind in the rhythmic motion of walking while you're immersing yourself in the present moment and while truly appreciating the things around you and really leaving the state of mind about focusing of all the things you usually focus on throughout the day. So what I take away from walking when I do it is I try to get my mind off things and focus and appreciate the things around me as I move and as I walk. So how does walking as a coping activity work exactly? So when we take walks, especially in a natural environment, our body naturally releases endorphins, which are basically neurotransmitters known to alleviate stress and pain and also boost our mood. Now, this repetitive motion of walking really helps us to calm the mind, reduce muscle tension, and promote relaxation. And additionally, being in nature has also been linked to further reductions in stress levels and improvement in mental health. As a more scientific fact, walking also helps in digestion after meals and it also greatly helps in cardiovascular health. So the benefits of walking, personally I really like walking as a way to relax, but there have been some benefits seen throughout some certain studies. So studies have shown that incorporating walking into our daily routines have numerous benefits for coping with stress. The main ones usually include improved mood, increased feelings of relaxation, enhanced cognitive function, and also reduced symptoms of anxiety and depression. And we really appreciate walking when it really takes us away from that place where all we think about is our negative thoughts and thoughts that really stir up the stress within our bodies. Furthermore, regular walking has also been associated with better physical health outcomes, like I mentioned in the previous slides, such as blood pressure and improved cardiovascular health. So I really believe that walking in general is both extremely beneficial towards our stress and also towards our physical health and can just drastically benefit our lives in a major way. Now, for my academic reference, I decided to choose the study called Nature Experience Reduces Rumination at Subgenual Prefrontal Cortex Activation by Bratman et al. So the objective of this study was that researchers aimed to investigate whether spending time in nature could reduce rumination, which is basically a prolonged period of thought that is purely based on negative thinking and thinking that leads to stress, and alter neural activity in the brain regions associated with rumination. Now, how this study went exactly is the study involved 38 healthy participants who were randomly assigned to two groups, a nature walk group and an urban walk group. And these participants completed questionnaires to assess their baseline levels of rumination and how exactly they think. So each group took about a 90-minute walk in either settings, which would be a natural setting or an urban setting. And before and after the walk, participants underwent brain scans using fMRIs, which are functional magnetic resonance imaging, to basically measure neural activity and how much they were thinking before and after the walk. Now, the study found that participants who took a nature walk showed a significant reduction in rumination compared to those who walked in an urban environment. And neuroimaging results revealed that the nature walk group exhibited decreased neural activity in the SGPFC, which is a brain region associated with rumination, whereas the urban walk really showed no such change. And the reduction in rumination and neural activity in the SGPFC was specific to the nature walk and was not observed in the urban walk group. So I really like this study because it really provides evidence and proves that spending time in nature, uh, and specifically through activities like walking, it really can have a beneficial impact on our daily lives and on our mental well-beings as well. And it really can help improve the brain regions associated with stress and negative thinking patterns. Now, in conclusion, walking offers a simple yet powerful way to cope with stress, and it can also improve our overall quality of life. And I really think that by incorporating regular walks into our routines, we can reap the numerous benefits that include the physical, mental, and emotional ones that it has to offer. So, as a little personal note to end the presentation, next time you're feeling overwhelmed, I really think you should consider taking a stroll outdoors and really reconnect with the healing power of nature. Thank you so much.